Welcome to Tools, Tech, and Gear. I'm Seth. Today I have the Worx brand brushless motor impact driver that uses the PowerShare 20-volt battery. So let's go ahead and open up this impact driver and see what it's all about. Let's do a quick unboxing, see what's inside here. We've got some literature, have a belt clip and a Phillips head screwdriver attachment, a bit, the drill itself, and an empty box. So we will go ahead and open this up. Now this is the version that does not come with the battery, but I have several of those from other tools, so we will just be using that one. All right, let's go ahead and open up some of these and get this installed. So this has just a belt clip, a driver, and then a tiny little screw. You can attach this belt clip on either side. I think that I'm going to do it on this side here, so that whenever I reach down on my right side, it will be ready to go. Let's see if I can use the supplied driver to get this tiny little screw installed. All right. Yeah, I think it's gonna work out. All right, here's the tool. Let's look at its features. The first thing I noticed, there is a rubber stopper here next to the Worx logo, but this I was anticipating to be rubber, and it's not, so it does slide around some, but that piece of rubber there does prevent it from going anywhere, which is nice. So let's start from up here at the chuck area. It does have that sleeve there that allows you to install your bit. So you just lift that out, put your bit in, and it will lock it into place. That's pretty typical or standard. It does have an all metal motor housing. It's got the Worx logo and some breathing air holes there. It's got your forward and reverse buttons right there. Trigger, of course. The grip is rubberized for all of that. Not here, but all down there is. It's got your brushless motor logo here on the back. Flip it over, looks just the same. So if we move down here, it's got your belt clip location, and the screw is going into plastic, and I think I may have already stripped that just by trying to tighten it down. Yeah, so anyway, I may or may not keep that on there. It's kind of disappointing. It's got a light right here, a little LED. Right here, it's got the 1, 2, 3 to show the speed of the impact driver. And then it's got your battery compartment down here. So let's go ahead and throw a nice fresh battery on. It's got a good click to it. Okay, let's put it in forward. Okay, it's on 3 right now, and the light did come on. So let's click that down to 1, 2, 3. Definitely can hear the speed difference there. Very cool. All right, we should go ahead and give this a test to see how well it's going to perform. I've got a stack of 2x6s here and some hardware we're going to be using with this impact driver. So let's go ahead and start off with a T25 bit. Got that installed, and I've just got a simple 2-inch screw with the Torx head on it. And let's go ahead and click this down to 1. All right, let's see what 1 does on this. Okay, kind of struggles to get through that. Let's click it up to 2 and do another one of those at the same length. It also did not kick on the impact feature here. All right, no problem getting that one in there with number 2. Very cool. All right, now I've got a 2.5-inch screw. Let's kick this up to 3 and see what it does here. Yeah, no worries on that one. All right, so keeping it on setting number 3, let's change out the T25 and go up to a T40 bit. And I've got this nice large lag bolt. So let's go ahead and put that in here and see how well it does. I anticipate it will eat through this pretty quick. Oh, it's back on 1. All right, 3. No worries there. I just ate that thing. So, cool. Let's toss it into reverse and pull all of these back out of here. Okay, very good. Gotta swap back over to that T25. And let's see if it will remove one of these when it's set to 1 again. Yeah, it did. Also, it did kick in the impact there a little bit. Let's kick it up to number 2. Yeah, nice and quick. And then lastly, number 3 on this longer screw. Yeah, nice. Seems to have plenty of power on those. Wonder if it used any battery. Nah, still on 3 there. Very cool. Let me read off the spec sheet real quick. It is rated for 20 volt max. The no load speed on number 1 is 0 to 900. That's revolutions per minute. Number 2 is 0 to 2400 revolutions per minute. 3 is 0 to 3000 revolutions per minute. And the impact rate for number 1 is 0 to 1200. I guess that's it says BPM, so maybe beats per minute. Let's see, number 2, 0 to 3300 BPM, and number 3 is 0 to 4000 BPM. The max torque is 2300 inch-pounds, which is nice. The chuck capacity is 1/4 inch. The machine weight is 3.31 pounds. It does have some instructions on how to use this, and does have information on the warranty, which it comes with warranty cards here. I actually have a chainsaw from the Worx brand, and the bar oil container cracked and leaked out. And so I sent an email to them, and within a week they had sent a warranty replacement, even on a gifted YouTube machine. So the warranty is pretty awesome, and they don't discriminate whether it was a free tool or a purchased tool. So that's good news. So if you have a defective item, you can definitely contact the warranty department and get a new one. Okay, that is just a first look at this impact driver. I use impact drivers a lot here around my house, and so if you want to see this again, check out my Land House YouTube channel. So this impact driver is pretty standard for this day and age. The 2 things that I would change, it needs a metal plate here on the belt loop, because just in this first time installing it with the included bit, I just stripped that screw. So definitely need some kind of metal plate in there to catch that. And then the red piece back here needs to be rubberized to keep this from sliding off of surfaces. But that part, no big deal. That part, disappointing. I do like that this is a power share. So all these 20 volt batteries work between all their drills and weed eater and chainsaw. So just one charger will get you connected with all of the tools with that one battery. Anyway, it's got some nice features with the light and then the 3 different settings. To be honest, I will probably always stay with either 2 or 3 on the speed settings, but it's pretty nice. So I may do an update video on Worx tools here in the future, but for now, I'm going to be using this pretty regularly here around the property. Thanks for watching. If you have a comment, leave that in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.